So homework 11. A bunch of word problems. Hopefully they're ones that you already saw if you took introductory algebra, so it'll just kind of be a review of stuff. First one is finding the new score that will yield a given mean. The mean is a fancy word for the average. When you find the average of something, you add all your numbers together and then you divide by how many numbers you have. On ALEKS, they're probably going to give you some big crazy long formula, but basically what you want to do is you want to take what you want the average to be, and the first one says we want his average to be 79. That means it'd be like if he got a 79 on every single test he took. So if I have taken 4 tests and I'm going to take another test, I'm going to take a total of 5 tests. I want my average to be 79, so it's like I got a 79 on all 5 of my tests. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how many total points I'd have to an average of 79 in all of my tests. If you take 79 times 5 for me, you would get 395. Then basically all you're going to do is subtract off the ones that he already did. On ALEKS, they're going to add them first and just subtract one big number, but since you're using your calculator, you might as well just go ahead and subtract the 99, subtract the 71, subtract the 58, and subtract the 73. At the end then, you should have what the last test has to be. $94. So he has to get a 94 on his last test so that his average is 79 to make up for that really bad 58 he got. So the second one there, Frank has scored a 28, 21, 20, 26, and 22 points in his 5 basketball games so far. How many points does he need to score in his next game so that his average or mean is 24 points a game? So again, if my average is going to be 24, it's like I have 24 points on every game. He's played 5 games so far, but he's going to play a 6th one because he's going to play one more. So if you multiply 24 by 6, you would get 144. So we'd have to have a total of 144 points to have an average of 24 points on all 6 games. He's already scored some points, so we're going to subtract off the 28, subtract off 19, subtract off 20, subtract off 26, and subtract off 22. Or add them all up and subtract them all at one time. 29. He needs to get a 29 points in his last game, so his average is 24. So go ahead, do number 3 there. I'm not that far yet. Danette says she got 60. Started out with 59 miles per day is what they want the average to be. They're doing a 6-day cross-country biking challenge. And so if we take 59 times 6, we get 354 total miles, I guess we're doing here. So if I subtract off 60, subtract off 60, subtract off 55, another 55, and my 64, which I haven't done yet. Minus 60, minus 55, minus 55, minus 64. Sure enough, I get 60. So 60 miles is how far she has to go on that last day so that her average is 59.